iPhone 14 Pro Max review in under a minute. Let's go. And we've got the Pixel 7 Pro next week, so make sure to hit that follow. So starting off with the build, if you use the 12 over the 13, the 14 Pro is going to be the exact same. The only difference is they made the camera bump a lot larger so that you can't use cases from last year, obviously. One of this year's big improvements is actually the display, not because it looks any better than last year, but because it's a lot brighter than last year. Also new this year is Apple's iteration of an always-on display. However, most don't like it because number one, it's too bright, and number two, it has adverse effects on overall battery life. We've also got the new dynamic island at the top of the screen, which at this point is still pretty gimmicky. Here's a list of all the things dynamic island can do as of October 10th, 2022. Now, probably the biggest upgrade to the 14 Pro is the cameras, more specifically the 48 megapixel main shooter. Now, it's important to note that unless you're shooting in ProRAW and editing in an app such as Lightroom, upgrading just for the cameras isn't really going to matter to you. You might as well stick with something like the 13. Now, obviously, TikTok's not going to do it justice, but if you're curious about the video quality, this is the 14 Pro Max right now. Everything else was being recorded on the 14 Pro, so if you like one, then you're definitely going to like the other. It's the exact same camera module.